to your movie.
I just want to say thank you and please support our film. I think you will like it.
Ayan. And Janelle, ano naman ang aabangan namin? Ano ang kakaiba dito sa moving Under Parallel Skies?
Naku, marami kaming pasabog ni Wen sa movie na to. Kaya, panoorin nyo na lang para malaman nyo yung mga pasabog namin.
Yes, of course, si Win na talaga namang ang dami rin mga tumatawag sa kanya ng bonggang-bongga. So Win, can you please invite the audience to please support your movie?
Yeah, sure. I think this film like got everything, romance, drama, comedy, everything. I think you will enjoy this film. So please support our film. Thank you.
Of course, Miss Janela, invite niyo po sila na talaga namang supportahan ang inyong movie na showing na tomorrow.
Yes, mga kababayan, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Ramdam na ramdam namin yung love. Maraming salamat dahil you made time for us tonight. And sana yung suporta na nararamdaman namin ngayon ay maramdaman din namin bukas pag nag-showing kami sa mga cinemas. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung film.
Of course! Ayan. Ako maraming salamat. And may we now call on our press friends from GMA, TV5 and ABS-CBN to please proceed dito sa stage for the interview with Janela and Win. Ayan. Of course, yung mga friends din natin from press, media friends, pwede rin natin mag-picture with Win and Janela. Thank you so much, Janela and Win. Ayan, support natin ang kanilang movie. At eto na ang mga friends natin from the